Hello students, we were doing definite integrals as limit of sum and we were doing extra questions of definite of integral. Let's start with the other one today. Integral of x plus e power 2x dx, limit goes to 0 to 4. Now here fx is x plus e 2x. F of a is a plus e 2a. F of a plus h plus e 2 times a plus h. E power 2a into e 2h. Now f of a plus 2h, a plus 2h plus e 2 times a plus 2h. We can write it as e2a into e 4h. So on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h, a plus n minus 1 into h, e power 2 into a plus n minus 1 into h, a plus n minus 1 into h, e2a into e2 टाइम्स n माइनस 1 इंटू h. सबसे पहले हम फंक्शंस की वैल्यू निकालेंगे. f ऑफ a प्लस h, a प्लस 2h एंड सो ऑन अप टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू h. नाउ h is b minus a upon n. Now apply the formula. Limit n tends to infinity h f of a plus f of a plus h plus f of a plus 2h so on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h. Now put the values. Limit n tend to infinity h. F of a is a plus e 2a, a plus h plus e 2a into e 2h. F of 2h is a plus 2h e 2a into e 4h so on up to a plus n minus 1 into h e 2a into e 2 times n minus 1 into h. Now a is common in all the terms, so a will come n times na. Limit n tends to infinity and a terms of h. Here we left with 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. E2a common. First we left with 1 plus e2h, e4h, so on up to e 2 times n minus 1 into h. h is 4 by n. Limit n tends to infinity, na upon n, h is 4 by n. Sum of n minus 1 terms of AP is n minus 1 by 2. This is GP. For this term, we put limit h tends to 0, h, e to a. First term, r. Common ratio is e to h power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Now we want 2h here, so we will multiply and divide here by 2. And will cancel. Limit n tends to infinity. 4, a plus 2 by n, take n common, 1 minus 1 by n, plus limit h tends to 0, e 2a upon 2, e 2 nh. What is the value of nh? 4. Minus 1, e 2h minus 1 upon 2h. Limit h tends to 0, e 2h minus 1 upon 2h is 1. A is 0, 2, 1 minus 0, E2, A is 0, E8 minus 1 upon 1. 4 into 2, 8. Something power 0 is 1. 1 by 2. E8 minus 1. Now take the LCM. 16 plus E8 minus 1. E8 plus 15 by 2. 15 plus E8 by 2. Now the next one is next question is integral of x square plus x dx. Limit is 0 to 2. 0 to 2 x square plus x dx. What is h here? Upper limit minus lower limit by n. F of x is x square plus x. F of a is a square plus a. F of a plus h. A plus h whole square plus a plus h. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a plus h. A square plus a plus 2a plus 1h plus h square. Now what is the value of f of a plus 2h? A plus 2h square. A plus 2h. Open the bracket. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus a plus 2h. A square plus a, 2h common, 2a plus 1 plus 4h square. And so on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h. A plus n minus 1h whole square plus a plus n minus 1 into h. Now open the bracket. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus a plus n minus 1 into h. A square plus a n minus 1 into h, 2a plus 1 plus n minus 1 square and h square. Now put the value of these functions in the formula. Limit n tends to infinity. H is 2 by n. F of a square plus a square plus a plus 2a plus 1h plus h square. Next one is a square plus a, 2a plus 1 into 2h plus 4h square, so on up to a square plus a, 2a plus 1 n minus 1h plus n minus 1 square h square. Now take the common terms which are common. A square plus a is common in all the terms. So a square plus a comes n times a square plus a. Now terms of h. Take 2a plus 1 into h common. we left with 1, 2, so on up to n minus 1. N minus 1. Now terms of h square, 1 square, 2 square, so on up to n minus 1 square. Now apply the formulas here. Limit n tends to infinity, n a square plus a upon n, 2a plus 1 upon n, h is 2 by n, sum of n minus 1 terms of AP, and n minus 1 by 2. H square is 4 upon n square. Sum of square of n minus 1 terms is n minus 1, 2n minus 1 upon 6. Now put the values. In the next step, what we do in the next step? Limit n tends to infinity to a0. a0 1 by n, take n common, 1 minus 1 by n, 2 by 3 n square, and 1 minus 1 by n and 2 minus 1 by n. Now put the limit n tends to infinity, then 1 by n will become 0. 1 minus 0, 2 by 3, 1 minus 0 and 2 minus 0. 2, 1 plus 4 by 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 into 7 by 3, that is 14 by 3. 2 into 7 by 3, 14 by 3. Now the next question is integral of 25th, integral of x square plus 2x plus 1 dx, limit goes to 0 to 2. Try it by yourself and its answer is 26 by 3. 26 by 3. Now the next one is integral of integral of 0 to 3, integral of 0 to 3, 2x square plus 3x, 2x square plus 3x plus 5 dx. What is the value of h here? Upper limit minus lower limit by n. Upper limit is 3 minus 0 by n, 3 by n. First we find the value of function at a plus h, a plus 2h and so on up to a plus n minus 1 into h. F of x is 2x square plus 3x plus 5. F of a, 2a square plus 3a plus 5. F of a plus h, 2a plus h whole square, 3a plus h plus 5. Open the brackets now. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 3a plus 3h plus 5. 2a square plus 3a plus 5 terms of h, 2 into 2, 4a plus 3 plus 2h square. Now f of a plus 2h, 2 times a plus 2h square, 3 into a plus 2h plus 5. A square plus b square 2ab plus 3a plus 6h plus 5. 2a square plus 3a plus 5 terms of h is 4 into 2, 8. 8a plus 6. Take 2 common. 4a plus 3. 4 into 2, 8h square. And so on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h. 2 times a plus n minus 1 by h whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 3 into a plus n minus 1 into h plus 5. And we get the value as 2a square plus 3a plus 5 terms of h. 2 into 2, 4a plus 3 into n minus 1h plus 2 times n minus 1 square h square. First find the value of function at a plus h, a plus 2h, so on up to a plus n minus 1 into h. Now put these values. Limit n tends to infinity. H, f of a, 2a square plus 3a plus 5, 2a square plus 3a plus 5, h into 4a plus 3 plus 2h square plus 2a square plus 3a plus 5, 2 into 4a plus 3h plus 8h square, so on up to 2a square plus 3a plus 5 plus 4a plus 3 n minus 1h plus 2 n minus 1 square h square. Now the term which is common in all is 2a square plus 3a plus 5. So 2a square plus 3a plus 5 will come n times. H is 3 by n. N times 2a square plus 3a plus 5. Now terms of h, take 4a plus 3 into h common. 4a plus 3 into h is common. Here we left with term 1. Here we left with 2 and so on up to n minus 1. 1 plus 2 plus up to n minus 1. Now take 2h square common. Here we left with 1. 2 common, 4. 4 is square of 2. So on up to n minus 1 whole square. Now limit n tends to infinity 3. N times 2a square plus 3a plus 5 by n. 4a plus 3 by n. Value of h is 3 by n. Sum of n minus 1 terms of AP. N minus 1 by 2. H is 3 by n. Sum of square of n minus 1 terms of AP. N minus 1 to n minus 1 by 6. Limit n tends to infinity. 3 into a is 0. 4a plus 3 by n into 3 by 2. Take n common, 1 minus 1 by n. 3 by n square and 1 minus 1 by n and 2 minus 1 by n. Now put the limit n tends to infinity. 5 plus 3 into 3, 9 by 2, 1 minus 0, 3 into 1 minus 0 and 2 minus 0. 5 plus 9 by 2 plus 6, 11 plus 9 by 2. 93 by 2. next is next question is integral of a to b x dx. Integral of a to b x dx. H is b minus a upon n. Function is x. So f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, so on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h. Now put the values of these functions in the formula. Limit n